I greet you all from the peak of the fall. In case you did not notice, this time of the year, everywhere and always you see all and the same colors: yellow, red and orange. Look around, look in your garden, look at the socials. What colors do you see? Yellow, red and orange. Every year, again and again. It's like the season has got a lifetime label. And I feel a kind of discomfort with traditional fall colors. It's just the same as when somebody says that a woman after 40 may not wear bright colors. Well, I don't think so. With all my respect for traditional, this is my garden, and here I have my full right to disagree. And here I have my full right to let everybody see that autumn may and can be blossoming and colorful. In this video, I'll tell you about my tricks how to break the cliché about a garden in the fall. I want to make myself clear. I have no intention to start the revolution and reject all traditions. I've told you already I do respect most of them. And I also have the border in traditional yellow, red and orange. But this border is all seasons yellow, red and orange. There is nothing wrong with these colors. Only they may not dominate in no season. But there is one, how should I say, to avoid the word old-fashioned, conservative concept which I had never managed to understand. Almost all old-school gardeners will try to convince you that dead flowers will bring a kind of charm in your garden. Seriously? Please explain me how something dead can be pretty or lovely or fresh. And it is definitely not healthy. No dead heads in my garden, even for Halloween. Out! There are some hard-working summer-flowering perennials which do not mind to take also the autumn shift. This second flower production is maybe not so rich and exuberant as the first one, but so much heartwarming. And you know, even annuals can do it. If you, in the summer, instead of removing the plants when the flowering time comes to an end, just cut off the withered flowers and feed what's left the plants. Try it. You'll have no regret. And this method is 100% natural, because each new season grows from the leftovers of the past. And now, to the very essence of the subject, the plants which were made to flourish in this time of the year. My top 7 of autumn flowering perennials. My favorites. This plant makes every fall meaningful. I love autumn because of chrysanthemums. I had already made 2 videos about them. This time, just want to show you how do they look like this year. My darlings. And these are my stars. And you know why they are here and why now? I'll tell you. The Greek goddess of starry sky, Asteria, could not see the starry sky in autumn because of the rainy clouds. So she made this plant to remind her how do the stars look like. Lovely and easy to grow. The only two things I have to do is to support the tall ones and to cut off their dead stems before their seeds learn how to fly. I'm glad to have them, but not as ground covers. Because I already have one for this time of the year and for other times of the year. It is evergreen and trouble-free and not invasive. I've never seen it suffering from a disease or from plant-eating insects. Well, this summer, a part of it was damaged by extreme drought and heat. I wanted to clean this part and disturbed the bees colony. Or bumblebees, but small, I'm not sure. But that were definitely not wasps. So I had to leave it as it is. A strong plant like this can handle it itself. If you ask Google about salvia, I bet 1 against 10 that the first article will be about hallucinogenic properties of this plant. Drug, which makes you high, in other words. I can neither confirm nor deny it. I'm not a shaman, so I don't know. What brings me in altered state of consciousness is this deep blue color of flowers. This blue suits any other imaginable color and rather exceptional in the living nature. I have two of them, one with smaller, another with bigger flowers, but both of them of the same hypnotic blue. I'm even not sure that my salvias are hallucinogenic. There are so many varieties in this botanical family. No, mine are for sure no drugs. They're just incomparably blue. Another shade of blue and another shrub, hebe. Evergreen and also available in purple and white. I don't have white, only blue and purple. Flowers almost all year round. But at the end of the year, hebe is in its best shape. It grows slow and must not be pruned each year. I do it once in 3 years, just to keep them compact. It shares her name with the Greek goddess of youth, the keeper of fountain of youth, and the patroness of young brides. She also could make old people young again, if they could give her a damn good reason. When I find such a damn good reason, I'll try to reach Hebe, the goddess, through my hebe plants. And you think that they just stay here and do nothing? Many of them have high-ranking connections, or at least a significant history. If you watch this video, you will see that I don't lie. This one, for example, has the same name as the mother of Narcissus. It has also other names like monkey grass or spider grass or lily turf. And it is neither grass nor lily. Well, asparagus family. And these are not berries, but flowers. I think I'll buy more of them. They look better when they are with many. Just like other muscari, the grape hyacinth. Native to China and also listens to the name Chinese anemone. Not like other anemones, which can bloom in spring and in fall, this one does it only in fall. But there is something tricky about this plant. It takes about 5 years for it to establish, but when it does, it becomes rather aggressive and tall. In my previous garden, its stems were about 2 meters high. All the plants I've told you about are perfectly suitable for hardiness zones 8, 7 and 6. And all 7 of them will do perfectly well growing in containers. But this is another subject for another video. Thank you for watching this one. Let me know if you liked it. And see you soon in Mama's garden.